Hello everyone and Namaskar. Welcome back to my channel once again. So this is my second video from Kerala and I hope कि आप सभी का न्यू ईयर अब तक काफ़ी अच्छा और पॉजिटिव जा रहा होगा। आई होप आपने मेरा जो प्रीवियस वीडियो था चेल्लनम बीच के ऊपर वो शायद आप लोग ने सभी ने देखा और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आप लोग ने जो मुझे जो सपोर्ट किया एवरीवन। For that, I'm really very thankful to everyone and thank you very much for supporting me. Keep supporting like this, and very soon we will reach the top. Not kidding. We will reach the top one day very soon. Just pray for that. The best thing for a biker is obviously the early morning ride, and it's 5 o'clock in the morning, and what a beautiful weather it is. तो आज मैं और मेरे कलीग निकल चुके हैं एक नई जगह पे and let's refuel the bike, then we will meet once again. आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं एक पक्षी अभयारण्य की ओर। नहीं समझे? नहीं समझे? कोई नहीं। तो आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं एक बर्ड सेंचुरी देखने जिसका नाम है कुमारकम बर्ड सेंचुरी and this place is situated in Kottayam district and the great part is it is set in Kerala backwaters. So what is basically a backwater? I'll just tell you. So backwater is basically fresh water from the river meets the seawater from Arabian Sea. It happens due to tide and there's little or no current at this water. I hope कि मैं clear कर पाया हूँ what is backwater. If still you guys are having doubt on what is backwater, you can Google it. You are most welcome. So back to bird sanctuary again. And मुझे जितना पता था मैंने बता दिया बैक वाटर्स के बारे में। जितनी जानकारी मुझे थी मैंने आपको दे दी, बट स्टिल if you guys are still having any doubts, you are most welcome to Google it. So jokes apart, and we are heading towards the Kumarakam Bird Sanctuary. हालांकि this is a favorite place of migratory birds and I have no idea कि वहाँ पे मुझे कुछ बर्ड्स देखने को मिलेंगे या नहीं मिलेंगे. It's all about luck, but this place is itself a must visit. Let me tell you guys, I have kept my finger crossed so कुछ देखने को मिल जाए, but I'm not sure कि क्या देखने को मिलेगा और क्या देखने को नहीं मिलेगा. But let's see, it's gonna be a wonderful day. So let me tell you a brief about this bird sanctuary. So the thing is that ये काफ़ी पुरानी एक बर्ड सेंचुरी है जिसे इंग्लिशमैन जॉर्ज एल्फ्रेड बकेर के द्वारा डेवलप किया गया है और पहले इसे बकेर्स स्टेट के नाम से भी जाना जाता था. Anyone is ever visiting this place, so just let me tell you that this is a very big bird sanctuary which is spread over 14 acres on the bank of Vimbanad Lake. So that's what it is. It is 14 kilometers from Kottayam and the Kochi International Airport at Nedumbasari is 106 kilometers from here. तो हम लोग इतनी मॉर्निंग में इसीलिए ही निकले हैं क्योंकि यहाँ से भी ये करीब 1.5 hours लगेंगे जाने में, जो कि जाते जाते आई बिलीव सनराइज हो चुकी होगी. एंड यू नो केरला इट्स टू हॉट हियर. और कहते कहते सनराइज का टाइम भी आ चुका है. I hope and I believe the views will be much more beautiful now. तो यहाँ से व्यूज़ इतनी अच्छी आ रही थी, we thought of stopping by and we made the right choice, we guess so. आप लोग व्यूज़ देख ही सकते हैं यहाँ से, the proper sunrise, the birds flying, people running. Seriously, we did not wanted to leave this place, but हमें और भी आगे जाना था for the main thing, for the Kumarakom Bird Sanctuary. So तब तक के लिए टाटा for this place.
गुनगुनाती राहों में धड़कने भी तेज है, अब क्या करें, वक्त है तो जीने दे, दर्द है तो सीने दे, ख्वाहिशें अनजान है, अब क्या करें.
To be honest, the views are like the camera is not doing the justice. Seriously saying, the camera is not doing the justice, and the views are just mesmerizing. To be honest, सोच रहा हूँ यहीं पे बैठ जाओ बाइक लेके. तो प्रॉपर सनराइज हो चुकी है and the heat has started again, man, seriously. और it's just, I think it's 7 o'clock in the morning and गर्मी, बाप रे बाप, बहुत गर्मी है, seriously. And I believe some kilometers left, we are very nearby right now. So तब तक आप व्यूज़ का मज़ा ले, and मैं तो मज़े ले ही रहा हूँ. And just आप लोग कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइए कि अगर आप लोगों को ऐसा व्यूज़ देखना है, like the roads, the trees, the sunrise, sunset, just let me know in the comments. So I'll make sure that I cover more and more sunrise and the sunset videos for you guys. तो जिस चीज़ का डर था वही हुआ. We are late right now and we plan to reach there by 6:30 a.m. but currently I believe the time is 7:13 or 7:15 and you can see the difference, right? The sun. That's the main problem for us. That's the main thing. That's it. Nothing much. बट एक चीज़ तो है यहाँ पे, द गॉड्स ओन कंट्री. अगर आप लोग केरला आएंगे तो आपको शायद पता चल जाएगा कि वाई इट इज़ नोन एज द गॉड्स ओन कंट्री. द ट्रीज, द ग्रीनरी हियर इज सो मच, लाइक सीरियसली. So finally we have reached the Kumarakom Bird Sanctuary and this is the entrance which you can see right now. This is the one. So this is a chart basically. इस पे from Jan to December इस पे डिफाइन किया गया है कि किस टाइम पे सबसे ज़्यादा आपको बर्ड्स देखने का मौका मिलेगा. So being on Jan right now, we came at the wrong time. तो this is the part where after entering from the main gate, तो आपको सबसे पहले इस रास्ते से आपको जाना पड़ेगा and entry fees यहाँ पे 50 rupees per person है. So that's the thing, 50 rupees per person and 14 acres of sanctuary. Like we can enjoy, right? Yeah, it's too cheap. So the birds specially found here are egret, heron, brahmanicide and many more. The birds even from Himalayas and few from Siberia are also found here. That's interesting, right? One more great way to enjoy this place is by houseboat or motorboat. Its cost is around 600 for 1 hour. So I'm not sure what is the actual cost because this was the cost which was offered to us and we were 2 person. So 600 for 1 hour is a value for money, right? So it's not that huge amount, it's just 600 and it's very cheap and we can enjoy the beautiful backwaters here as well. So if you're planning, like ever planning for a trip to Kerala, this place is a must visit. Just trust me, this place is like must visit, especially for nature lovers and the people who loves jungles and birds. And main time, so you know, right, from April till the end of November. So just a quick tip कि अगर आप लोग if anyone is coming here, so just please half shirts या half shorts पहन के ना आए due to mosquitoes. That's it. This is the famous property of Taj Kumarakam Resort, and we had no idea कि यहाँ पे ताज है या थी. So this property is amazing. Seriously saying, is amazing. So this was all about Kumarakam Bird Sanctuary, a small trip basically, and मुझसे जितना हुआ I covered it up, and I hope you guys liked it. But still, there's much more in this video right now. I hope you guys will enjoy it till the end. You guys can see that सूरज देवता सर के ऊपर आ चुकी है, and I believe the time is right now 10:30 or 11 o'clock. मैंने टाइम देखा भी नहीं है, so that is the main thing कि यहाँ पे गर्मी बहुत है. And I know I'm saying a lot these things कि गर्मी बहुत है, but जो है वो है, गर्मी बहुत है, to be honest. So again, if you guys ever coming to Kerala, please do visit this place because यहाँ पे बहुत कम लोग ही जाते हैं, and the people, the one who will go there definitely will love this place. So this was all about the Kumarakam Bird Sanctuary. Do visit this place in God's own country, Kerala. So तब तक के लिए आप ये वीडियो देखते रहिए एंड तक बोनस है. तो ये वीडियो को यहीं ख़त्म मत कीजिए, आप ये वीडियो को पूरा देखिए क्योंकि एंड पे भी there's a short clip of a backwater which the view is amazing, and there's just a short clip of behind the scene from us. बस मैं ऐसे जा रहा हूँ, बस वही दिखा रहा हूँ और कुछ नहीं. वो बाद में जो मैं है वो अपना मुंह से लगा दूंगा. आप उधर देख कर उधर बैठे इधर बैठे, ठीक है. हो गया, बंद करता हूँ.
we kiss up.